So, what's the secret for me to overcome my obstacles in life? I had a lot of obstacles, you know. How I overcame it was, to be honest, I just never wanted to be a loser. And when I say a loser is, when your friends ask you to come smoke, when your friends ask you to come do things that you know you're not supposed to do, I never took that road. I just always try to stick to what I know, because at the end of the day, I never wanted to have a conflict in my life. So how I overcame my obstacles was, number one, I just put my faith in God. And number two, I just remember where I came from, the struggles. You know, sometimes you got to know where you came from to understand you don't want to go back. So when I came to America and I got that opportunity, man, I made sure I took every opportunity that I could get. So me, I just take people's life as an example. When I see someone get arrested and for something, I tell myself, hey, I should never do something like that. So I had uncles that kept getting in trouble. I had family members. I had friends that got locked up for just stealing things, some of them murdering people. When I seen where their life ended up, that's not where I wanted to be. And I was just motivated. Sometimes when you have something to live for, your obstacles are easy to overcome. So I always never wanted to be a loser. And I always was thankful. Every time I went to downtown and I seen a homeless person out there, I said, hey, that could be me tomorrow. So I never took life for granted. I never put others around me down. You know, I always try to lift people up, because in order for you to overcome any obstacles in your life, you have to be a good person. So I tried the best in my ability to be the best I can be, you know. So, man, all I tell everybody out there is, man, just make the right choice, because one choice can make you either a loser or a winner. So the choice is on you. I want y'all to take my story, I want y'all to take my journey and put it into your own life and reflect on it, because at the end of the day, sometimes the road that you're going through, the pain that you're going through, the struggles that you're going through, someone else is going through the same struggles you are. But at the end of the day, you got to open your eyes and sometimes learn from others' mistakes, learn from others' struggles and others' pain, because that's going to make you stronger. You know one thing that a person told me once? A wise man is a person that watches others. And what that means is, don't follow someone. You know, don't be a follower, be a leader. But sometimes being a leader, you can eliminate a lot of mistakes in your life. You know, there's a lot of people that's gonna go on the same road you are, which might be successful, which might not be successful sometimes. Follow the road that's successful. Follow people that's gonna take you to the right path in life. You know, choose the right friends, make the right decisions. You know, stay away from the drugs. Stay away from being bad to your parents. Be a good son. Be a good father. Be a good husband. Be a good whatever that you are out there. Because at the end of the day, that's what's going to separate you from being successful. And I'm going to tell you one thing. Success on this earth is amazing, it's good, but success really counts when God has to judge you. So make the best choices, man. And I'll tell everybody, make your choices with Allah. You know, we as Muslims need to also come together, get on our deen, pray more, pray for each other. You know, sometimes when a brother does you dirty, don't go do the same thing back to him. What I advise to you is, pray for him, make dua for him, because sometimes when you're the bigger man in the eyes of Allah, your reward is bigger. And how you can change people's life is, just lead by example. I know a lot of people be seeing me on social media working out, playing basketball, having a good time. I also got a spiritual side to myself, but that's the side that I keep private, because that's not the side that I'm trying to impress everybody. That's between me and God. So keep your good things private, just the same way you would hide all the bad things you do that. So man, the youth, I just want you guys to work hard, just open your eye, be more educated. Honestly, education is power. Just be educated in something you like and just shoot for the stars. And just go out there and have fun in life, man. You gotta have fun. If you're not having fun, then you're never gonna like what you do. So I'm gonna leave you guys with one thing, and that one thing is, I'm gonna turn around and it's gonna be on my back. It says, see that? Patience to perfection. That means if you want to perfect life, you have to be patient. Have patience in life. And the more you're patient, the more you're going to be successful. And I'm going to talk to you about why my company is called Inner Physique. Sometimes it's not how you look on the outside. It's your inner physique that's the most important. You know what I mean? How your heart, how your soul, how's your mind. That's the most important thing in life. So correct your mind, correct your soul, correct your heart. And there's not going to be nothing but success in your life and good things. And if you guys are interested in knowing more, I'm going to let you guys know a little bit about my Snapchat. It's called Fitness Master 619. Fitness, F-I-T-N-E-S with one S. Master, M-A-S-T-E-R 619. And then my Instagram and Twitter is obviously Inner Physique, so you can go hit me up over there. And I'm gonna be dropping more videos about motivation, more videos about trying to be the best you could possibly be. You know, use your struggles to your success. And I'm gonna tell you something: always love from the heart, not from the chest. What I want to give out to every young person out there: use my story to be successful. I'll give you an example. I don't want to hear you say, I don't have my mom and my dad in my life. You know why? I never had my mom and my dad in my life, and I never made no excuses. But at the end of the day, regardless of what happens, the separation, they're not being in my life, I'm going to always love my parents, because you know what they say? Heaven is beneath your mother's feet. Regardless of what happens, she carried you 9 months in the belly, so always be thankful for that. Another excuse is this, man, I'm depressed and all of that. Yes, there is such thing called depression, but at the end of the day, you got to have faith. You got to have a religion. And to all the kids out there, all the youth, what I'll tell you is, find something you love. Find something you're passionate about. Don't refer to these drugs, these pills, the alcohol, the weed. It's nothing but a hole. It's a dark hole that is going to be hard to get out of. You know what I mean? So with that being said, man, I want to tell y'all to just continue to work hard, have something to live for, and just remember 2 things in life that might open your eyes. You are born, and then you die. There's only 2 cycles in life. Don't waste those 2 cycles. In between those 2 cycles, try to make something out of yourself. Try to be a better person. Try to be the best that you could be. Give your best abilities. Shoot for the stars, shoot for the moon. Never give up, because at the end of the day, only God can approve your success. But you got to put the work in, you got to put the effort in. So I would just advise y'all to just stay out of trouble and be the best you can.